Hi, and welcome back to the Accounting Basics series. In the previous video, I explained what accounting is and why it matters. Now in episode 2, let's take our first practical step learning how to record basic transactions. So, what exactly is a transaction? Simply put, a transaction is any activity that involves money or value. If you buy goods, that's a transaction. If you sell something or pay rent or salary, those are transactions too. Every transaction affects at least two things: something comes in and something goes out. This is the heart of double-entry accounting. Now, to record any transaction, I follow the golden rules of accounting, which are based on three account types. First, personal accounts. These relate to people or businesses. The rule here: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Next, real accounts. These cover assets like cash, stock, or machines. Rule: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And finally, nominal accounts. These deal with income and expenses. Rule: debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Don't worry, this will make more sense with examples. Let's go through some examples. First, you started business with Rs 1,000,000. Cash comes in, capital is introduced. The journal entry is cash account debit 1 lakh to capital account 1 lakh. Next, you purchased goods for Rs 10,000 in cash. Goods come in, cash goes out. The entry, purchase account debit 10,000 to cash account 10,000. And if you paid salary of Rs 5,000, that's an expense, so salary account debit 5,000 to cash account 5,000. Why do I record transactions this way? Because in accounting, everything must balance, every debit must have a matching credit. This keeps records accurate and lays the foundation for ledgers, profit and loss, and balance sheets, which I'll cover in the next episode. Before you go, try out the simple practice questions at the end of this video. You can also download the full worksheet from the description whether you're on a computer or want a printable PDF. And by the way, if you need help with your accounting from bookkeeping to GST, tax registrations or tally customization, just give us a call or visit our website. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, I'll show you how to do all this practically in Tally with visuals. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next class.